I'm Mohammed. I'm from Madrid and I'm doing the software engineering program at arol.dev. The idea of my project came from the problem that we had here sometimes, that we here at the office we have physical whiteboards where we can draw and plan together, but the people that are remote can't see them, and this was a problem. So I came up with an idea of making a whiteboard app where people can collaborate online. I use Node.js with TypeScript for the backend, with Express library and with Socket.io for WebSockets. And for the frontend, I use React and TypeScript. I learned how to plan better, and that when you build something like this, you have to split the tasks into smaller tasks to make it more manageable, and also work as a team and ask for help when needed. My plans for the future of the project are to keep building on, and currently I'm rewriting the code entirely, the entire application, and I plan to optimize it more and add new features. So this is Liveboard. This is the app where you can create whiteboards and collaborate between teams. So when we go down, we are presented with two different options. The first option is to create a whiteboard, and the second option is to join an existing whiteboard. So I'm going to demonstrate the creation of a whiteboard. When we click create, we create a new whiteboard where we can draw. As we are owners of this whiteboard, we can control if people can join this whiteboard or not. This is done via this option. We can set it to public. So currently the whiteboard is on private mode, so nobody can join. We can try that. We can join by the URL. And we see that we don't have permission to join. So when we turn it public, then people can join it. This time I'm gonna join with this input to demonstrate it. I paste the ID of the whiteboard and click join, and now I can join because this is set to public. And we see that we can see the drawing that the other person did, and we can add our own drawings. Something we can see too is that this person can't change the visibility, as they are not the owners. Only the owner can change the visibility. What this person can do is clear the whiteboard. So we see when we click clear, everything is clear. We also have these options on the left, where if we click, we are presented with a menu where we can change the tool and the properties of the tool. Here we can change the size and the color, and we see that it works. We can also delete with the eraser. And another option we have is the option to create and move rectangles. This is currently disabled. And the last option is the same as before, we can clear everything. So another feature that we have is that the owner, if the owner suddenly changes the visibility of the whiteboard, everyone connected to this whiteboard will be kicked, because this whiteboard will now be private, as we can see.